Hi, I'm Diane. Welcome back with lesson 5 of module 1. We're going to dive right in and find out a little bit more about AI. So today we're going to be talking about AI's role in enhancing customers' journey and the sales pipeline. Have you ever abandoned a website only to receive an email minutes later reminding you that you had something in that sales cart? Well, that's one of those little AI bots. Or you chatted with a bot that felt like it was really understanding your questions. So that's an AI in action, enhancing your website and the customer journey and optimizing sales pipelines. Would you like that on your website? Maybe you would, so let's talk. Today we're exploring how AI automates, personalizes, and streamlines marketing and sales. We'll also walk through real-life examples and live demonstrations for you. An AI tool like HubSpot, Drift, and Gong. So there's a few things that we're going to be talking about with the customer's journey. So on the customer's journey, you've got kind of this idea of a funnel. Okay, so we're going to start off at the top. There's an awareness, very, very top, that lets them know that you're kind of just testing the waters per se. Then if you kind of consider it, you dive a little deeper, so you're getting into lukewarm water. And then if you decide to make that decision and buy, now you are considered a customer. You hit the red hot zone for that funnel. And then we want to retain you to make sure we complete the order. So that's also the retention, and nurture them into also repeat sales. So those are all different ways to enhance your funnel. And an AI enhances each stage by using data to predict behavior, personalize content, and automate interactions. So if you want to enhance your sales funnel, AI can work for you that way. Imagine you're a business-to-business software company launching a new CRM tool. You want to know what your audience is interested in instead of just guessing and throwing content out there. Well, we have the product for you, MarketMuse. So it will be like an SEO tool that will actually go out and search to find out what your audience is looking for. So if you want to say best CRM tool for a small business, it will give you some insight. AI will also suggest high-ranking blog topics, so you can put that on your website to help generate organic leads. This ensures that your content ranks higher, brings in organic leads at the awareness stage. Next, we're going to be talking about the chatbots and nurturing your prospective clients. So now let's say a visitor lands on your website and wants more details. Instead of waiting for a rep, the AI chatbot can answer the questions for them. You can search your website, get all the answers that the person is looking for. It's pre-programmed and does a fabulous job. This way it keeps prospectives engaged and prevents the drop-offs in the sales funnel. The next one is Gong. Have you ever wanted your own salesperson right next to you? Well, as an entrepreneur, you wear so many different hats, and this is one of those fabulous new tools. So during the sales phase, you can have somebody like right by your side, but it's an AI tool. Try out AI Gong. A lot of vowels there. So what it's going to do, it's going to translate your whole text on the computer screen, and then it's going to make recommendations on what to say next, how to nurture that lead, and it will help you close that sales. So it's like having your own salesperson right there beside you, training you, so that way you can actually close more leads. So this is more higher winning phrases, anything that they object to, they'll have new phrases for you to counter the objections and give better responses. This gives sales team data-driven coaching to close more deals. Now, email personalization. Now, I'm sure you've had a lot of emails in your email box. Nowadays, everybody's sending out automated emails. But have you ever wondered, does your email go silent or does it actually get opened? Seventh sense allows you to know, was the email opened? and when is the best time to reach your prospective client. So sometimes they might be somebody who opens their emails in the morning, or they open their emails in the evening, and this will track that for you as well. Now, the sales pipeline, there's a lot of different ways sales pipelines work, but I really like this one. So this is part of HubSpot's lead scoring. What it does is it allows your website to see whether or not this person's really engaging with your website. Are they a warm lead, hot lead, or a cold lead? And they will actually put a ranking number associated with that person. So if they're a cold lead, they're like 50 points and under. If they're a warm lead, they're like 51 to 84. And if they're a hot lead, they're 85 and above. Isn't it nice to be able to focus your attention on something that is going to generate an actual sales versus a lukewarm customer or a completely cold customer? So the other thing you can use too is Salesforce Einstein. It's another AI forecasting sales trend that also would optimize your sales generation leads. So these ensure sales teams focus on the right leads at the right times. So now we're going to be talking about sales and marketing automation, AI-powered targeting tools. Wouldn't it be nice to know that your ad that you're paying for is actually going to reach an audience and you're getting a better return on investment? Well, now Meta has come out with that. So you can turn on Meta Advantage. Instead of manually setting ad parameters, the AI Meta Advantage optimizes ad deliveries in real time. It shows the AI adjusting targets based on conversation data, and it also shifts your budget for the best performing audience segments. This reduces ad waste and improves your return on investment. So in closing, as you can see, AI is revolutionizing so many aspects for a small entrepreneur as well as a small business. So AI is helping you through the whole sales process from starting to end, helping you focus on what truly matters, giving you better return on investment, and hopefully generating leads that makes your business grow exponentially. Bye for now.